Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is Monty on the Run. Now, Monty on the Run, let's have a look at the front cover. I used to love this game, I'll definitely say that. There it is. Good front cover, that. I like that boat there with the Chinese symbol on it, and good atmosphere to it. So, Monty on the Run was made in 1985 by Gremlin Graphics Software Limited, re-released by Kicks. I think I remember Kicks. The author was Peter M. Harrop, and it sold initially for £7.95. When it came out budget, it was £2.99. It's funny to think that AAA, let's call them AAA games, were only £7. And now this is something I didn't know. There's two sides to the tape. I don't understand that really. So, reselect Monty Freedom Kit. I don't know what any of that is. Ah yes, I've got headphones on, so they were around my neck, so I didn't know it was playing music, but I'm going to start that again so I can hear it, see if I remember it. Oh, not Derby Day, thanks mate. What? Bear with me. No, that doesn't ring any bells. But I cannot select anything. Oh. Alright, I want to play the game. Alright, M starts it. Strangely, I don't remember this level so well. I think I've picked the wrong one. I honestly, I didn't think it was called Monty on the Run, the one that I used to play the most of. Minor Monty or something? I've played this one, I'm pretty sure, but this is not the one I was looking for, so probably after this I'll do another one. Now, how do you get up there? Okay, you can do a diagonal jump. Yeah, this is a different one. I remember Monty on the Run, I guess, but I don't know if I played it. Unless, of course, the next screen, well, they look very Manic Miner-esque, don't they? Those platforms. A little beep when you pick it up, it's nice. Oh, yes. Well, these were in the one I played, but this is not it, actually. Where is it? I don't know. Can't be, can it? Ah! Oh, the collision detection is pixel perfect. Didn't expect that. Let's go this way. And so when I jump that, I've got to pull back, I guess. Oh no, just don't wait. Ah! Forgot what down was. What is down? P, I think. Oh, that's up. Oh! Highly frustrating. Arse box. Oh, not this again. Oh, M to start, isn't it? Oh, that was a properly detonated Monty, that one. Jesus. All I want to do is work out how to go down. All of these games, man. Tunes. Right. It's not A. It's not P. Is it O? That's going to make me go up again though, isn't it? Yes. L? L. Right, L. Well, the question is, can I fall to the ground there? I doubt it, because otherwise there wouldn't be platforms to walk along. Oh! What a frustrating level. Seriously, you can't drop? Oh, you can. Apologies to Peter M. Harrop for underestimating them. Left and right, what's that again? Q. That cup looks very nice. I don't know about that face, it looks quite good I guess, but it just looks a bit strange. Alright, one more go. Whoa, choose 5 objects to aid you in your quest. It's a hack or something. What's that, a jetpack? Gun and everything, what the hell? I've never seen this. It's quite iconic looking, these imageries. I want lives, really. Is that possible? I don't know, I'll just get whatever I can. The gun would be nice, I don't know. Oh, that's the Monty Freedom Kit, okay. Good idea, that. God, he seems quick. That purple guy. I wonder if I even have to climb down that stalk or whether I can just fall down there. I'm going to try and go left anyway because I can't. Oh! Just can't be arsed with that room that I was on. That's the problem with these games. If you don't like the look of a room or something, you're pretty much stuck because, you know, they're so hard and you've got to do them. Oh, well, how are you meant to do that? Got to wait for them to get out of sync, I guess. So when the cup's going up, they both go. Oops. It's bloody hard, that, isn't it? No, it's not. It's quite easy. Yeah, this is definitely not the one I actually used to play the most of because I would remember these levels at the back of my hand. What was mine? Monty something. I'll go through the whole Monty series, so don't worry about a thing. Now, I don't even know how you're meant to do that. I don't think it's possible, actually. Oh! Well, that was Monty on the Run. I'm pretty crap at it. I'm going to go and find the Monty I know now. Thanks for watching. Oh, good tune, actually.